christyhilltops.com, and today I will show you how I create my word strips, the word strips that I often use in my projects. So on my computer, I typed up in my word processing software just a whole bunch of words, and I put some colored background. Some I'm discovering they don't come out very strongly, so I will probably not use those fonts again, but this is for me just figuring out what works well. And then what I do, once I print it, and I print it on kind of good cardstock that's a little sturdy, and then what I do is I start cutting up those word strips, and that's all there is to it, really. So, well, I should start with the top, obviously, because if the strips get too thin, so I usually try to work one strip at a time, so that I don't have to work with strips that are too thin as I cut them with my Fiskars cutting board. So here we go, and then I'm just going to show you how I do one or two strips. So here is one strip, and another strip, and I go like this with my own entire page. I've also made sticker sheets before. As you can see, I've used this one quite a bit already. What I do like with the sticker sheets is that I can see what I still have, whereas when I cut these, the one big disadvantage is that once I cut the words apart, they'll lie around, they'll be all over the place, and I have to figure out where to store them, how to store them, so that I can easily access them and easily look through. So the big advantage with sticker sheets is you can see what you have and just pick the word strip that you want. The advantage with these word strips is that they can be put on cardstock right away, which you could do with the stickers as well, but I can put them on cardstock and can easily cut them, whereas with a sticker sheet I have to run it through my silhouette, and it takes a lot of time to prepare all that. So I do like the ease of these word strips, and I do use, as you can see, I do like to use different fonts and playing around with different settings and things like that. So, but these are word strips that will look good on my traveler's notebook size pages. They're made in a small enough capacity that they can be used very well. So I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.